Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're comparing two giants. That's right, we're comparing two giants and they are NetSuite and Zoho Books. We want to see the business titan versus the agile ace. It's a showdown. Choosing your business's financial brain is a huge decision. Do you need the power of an enterprise titan or the agility of an all-in-one ace? In this corner, the heavyweight champion Oracle NetSuite, and in the other corner, the versatile contender Zoho Books. Let's get ready to rumble. When it comes to the vibe, Oracle NetSuite is your entire corporate headquarters in the cloud, while Zoho Books is your smart all-in-one business assistant. When we look at who or what they are best for, Oracle NetSuite is best for large enterprises and complex scaling corporations, while Zoho Books is best for small and medium enterprises, startups, and growing businesses. When we look at their scope, NetSuite has ERP suites, that is finance, CRM, inventory, e-commerce, and more, while Zoho Books is focused finance, that is accounting, invoicing, expenses, and projects. When we look at their AI power, Oracle NetSuite predicts global market trends and automates complex workflows, while Zoho Books has their AI that answers questions, predicts cash flow, and automates entries. When we look at the price, Oracle NetSuite has enterprise-level investment and custom quotes, while Zoho Books is incredibly affordable, it's transparent, and it has a tiered pricing. Lastly, let's look at their setup. You see, Oracle NetSuite requires a dedicated implementation team, while Zoho Books is famous for its ease of use. You can get started in hours. So who wins? Well, it's not about which is better, but which is better for you. You see, NetSuite is the ultimate command center for giant businesses with complex global needs. It's powerful, but it is a marathon to implement. While Zoho Books is the agile, affordable, and incredibly user-friendly champion for small to medium businesses that need to move fast and grow smarter. So, are you building a global empire or scaling an agile powerhouse? Drop a comment below. Team NetSuite or Team Zoho Books? If this breakdown helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense software showdowns to power up your year.